Hi everyone, I'm Dina with Mills Family Gardening. Welcome back to our channel. And in this video, I would like to talk specifically about our grow lights that we have here. These grow lights came with a whole shelf. It was a kit, so I did not pick them separately. And the description of this product said specifically that these grow lights were for growing seedlings and plants. They are full spectrum grow lights. So we have tomato seedlings here that we started about 4 weeks ago, and when they started coming up, they looked green, healthy and lush. And then several days later, they started turning a little bit yellow, and I was wondering why that was happening. And now you can see that most of them have very yellow leaves, and that's not a good sign. That means that they're not thriving, they're stressed, and something is wrong. I did everything the same that I usually do when I start seeds every year. I use the same potting soil, I water them with rainwater. The only difference that I can think of this year is that we got these new grow lights and they're growing under the new condition, and I wonder if maybe these full spectrum grow lights are not good for little seedlings. So what I'm going to do today is transplant the seedlings into larger pots because they're too big for those little cells. And then I'm going to put them under our old grow light that I used last year and the previous year. And then we'll see how they're going to grow under that light. So we transplanted our seedlings. They are sitting under the old grow light now, and we'll give them a few days and we'll come back and see the results. It's been a few weeks since our tomato plants have been growing under a different grow light. This one is fluorescent grow light, and you can see they're doing much better. They look healthier, happier, much greener. You can see also that the old leaves still look very damaged, like these ones, for example. I just need to water them because the soil seems to be dry, but overall they're much happier under this new light. So we ordered these LED shop lights on Amazon. They are 42 watts, 4400 lumens, and 5000 K daylight white. And we have been keeping these seedlings under these grow lights for a couple of weeks, and they're doing great. I did want to give a chance to the full spectrum lights for a week, so I kept this tomato plant under those lights. And you can see that the leaves look burned and they just don't look happy. So our little experiment showed that full spectrum lights are not necessarily the best kind of lights for your seedlings and plants. The regular shop lights are okay. The plants are much happier under them, and they're much cheaper than full spectrum lights. So if you would like to save some money and have some healthy and happy seedlings, then you can just go with regular shop lights. So if you notice that your seedlings are struggling and you think that your soil and the other conditions are okay, then you might look into maybe replacing the grow lights, and that might affect the growth of your seedlings. I hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll see y'all in our next one. Bye bye.